But it's getting warmer and our friends down at PowerSmart just sent us this. This is their lawnmower right here. A few different models available to choose from. They got baggers, they got self-propelled ones. All great mowers. And in this video, I'm going to show you how it comes. We're going to unbox it. We're going to put it together and start it on up. So let's get started. If you don't already have one of these, save the video for later and come back to it. Those of you who already have one, let's dive right on in. Now, I do got a link to this in the video. They are going quick, so if that link's down there, feel free to check it out. We're going to start by getting everything out the box. And right off the bat, it looks like it comes assembled, guys. We don't even got to put this together. Here's our bag right here, decent sized bag. A few things to put together, nothing crazy. Pull this right on out. Lock to the side. There it is. So right off the bat, we're going to start on our handle. Line it on up, tighten up this side. Same thing on the other side. Going to line it on up. We'll give it a tighten, just like so. So we're going to work our way up to the top piece. As far as the middle piece, we're going to take one of our bolts out of the bag. It's going to slip it right on through. Follow through with the nut. Same thing on the other side. Tighten that right on down. I'm going to take our pull trigger, pull this all the way up. It's going to lock into here, just like shown. We can pull this film off. Pull this off our gas cap. It's going to slip right onto your gas cap like shown us that, and then you're going to screw that right on in. As far as our trigger for our handle, I'm going to pull that out a little bit. It's going to lock into place down here. Now we can work up here. I'm just going to put it on the outside of it, right through the hole, just like shown. Now this works. For our bag, your frame's going to go on the inside of the bag, and then it's going to latch on the outside as shown. Not bad at all. Nice size bag too. And then that's just going to go right in the back of here. Now this does come with a plug. We're going to pull the plug out because we're not using the mulcher side. This is a 3-in-1. You can use it as a mulcher. We're using the bag as shown. Fits nice and tight on there. The only thing left to do now is add our fuel and add our oil. Now this does not come with any oil in here. It even tells you on here. It takes 1030. So luckily, I got some 1030. Put a little bit in here. I like to give you a nice dipstick on this oil so you know where your levels are at with ease. So it took 20 fluid ounces. We got a nice reading on our stick. And we'll add our regular gasoline to it. Right about there should do. Give it a couple primes on the side. All right, get some gasoline in there. And we're gonna pull it, see how many times it takes to pull. See how many pulls it takes to start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not bad at all. See how many it takes to start again. Took a couple seconds to get the fuel to the carburetor. Now that we got it put together and she's running well, let's give her a nice little look. Look how beautiful this is. I'm loving that red and black combo. 21-inch mower deck on here. It is directionable so you can adjust where you want your mower deck to be. Nice big tires in the back, regular in the front. Not bad at all. Should definitely go over that high grass with no problems. So there you have it, guys. We put together this nice PowerSmart lawnmower, ready to mow the grass all summer long. If you don't already have one of these, they're on a great sale like I stated. I got a link to it in the video. Click that link and get yourself one. If this video helped you out, feel free to give it a like and follow for more great deals.